Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. This is part 2 of the agriculture question series. We will have a detailed discussion about all the questions that are being asked in the various exams. Stay connected with us till the end of the video because after finishing off with the multiple choice questions, we will have detailed discussion of each and every options of the questions. Starting off with the first question, that is, which of the following is known as golden fiber? And the options are cotton, jute, mustard, and hemp. So the correct answer for the question is jute. Jute is also known as golden fiber. Question number 2. When the total utility is maximum, then marginal utility is. Options are more than 1, less than 1, 0, or none of the above. The correct answer is 0. So, when the total utility is maximum, the marginal utility value is 0. Question number 3. Pusha giant is a variety of. Options are berseem, napier grass, lucerne. Option D, both A and B. So the correct option is both A and B. Pusha giant is a variety of both berseem and napier grass. Question number 4. What is the functional unit of a gene called? Options are recon, cistron, muton, and retron. The correct answer is cistron. Question number 5. The ratio of grain to stock in pigeon pea is known as is. Options are 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3, 1 is to 7 or 1 is to 10. The correct answer is 1 is to 7. Question number 6 is what is the chromosome number of T? The options are 20, 17, 24 and 30. The correct answer is 30. Next question. Grey revolution is related to. Options are manures and fertilizer, overall rice production, meat production, and egg production. The correct answer is manures and fertilizer. So, Grey Revolution is related to manures and fertilizers. Next question is which element is involved in energy storage and energy transfer in the plant? The options are nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and sulfur. The correct answer is phosphorus. Phosphorus is involved in energy transfer and energy storage. Next question number 9 is tetrazolium test is done to test the purity, germination, viability or seed quality. The correct answer is tetrazolium test is done to test the viability of the seeds. Next question number 10 is Indian Institute of Sugarcane Research is situated at. The options are Varanasi, Lucknow, Kanpur or Barakpur. The correct answer is Lucknow. Now, as we have finished the discussion of all the questions of the series, we will start with the detailed discussion of all the previously discussed questions in the series. So, we will be starting with the first question of part 2, that is, our first question was which of the following fiber is known as golden fiber? And the answer was jute. Some of the other important points related to jute are the family of jute is Tiliaceae, and in India, West Bengal ranks first in both area and production. Jute fiber is also known as bast fiber. Next, talking about the crop cotton. Cotton is also known as white gold or king of appraisal fiber. Cotton belongs to the family Malvaceae and it is often cross-pollinated crop. One bale of cotton is 170 kg. This was all about the crop cotton and jute. Next, moving on to the next crop, that is mustard. Mustard belongs to the family Cruciferae or Brassicaceae family. The pungency of mustard is due to allyl thioisocyanates. Other important points about mustard that is being widely asked in the exams are the fruit type of mustard. The fruit of mustard is known as Siliqua and mustard is basically a self-pollinated crop. Now moving on to the next crop, that is pigeon pea. Pigeon pea is also known as red gram, arhar or tur. The ratio of grain to stalk in pigeon pea is 1:7. This we have already discussed in our question session. Pigeon pea is the most drought tolerant crop among the pulses and the origin of pigeon pea is Africa. Next question is, what is the chromosome number of T? This we have already discussed that the chromosome number of T is 30. Some other points that you need to keep in mind is the scientific name of tea is Camellia species. It is also known as Queen of Beverage and the family of tea is Theaceae or Camelliaceae. One important point that you must keep in mind that is widely asked is what is the best method of plucking? So the best method of plucking is two-leaf and a bud stage. There are few questions when you study general agriculture which every student as an agriculture student you should know, and this portion that is revolutions that are related to agriculture, you need to keep all the revolutions that are related to agriculture in your mind. Some of the important revolutions that are related to agriculture, we'll discuss it right now so that you have a recap of all the revolutions. So starting with the green revolution that is related to food grain production. Next is your white revolution that is related to milk or dairy production. Blue revolution is related to fish production. Grey revolution that is related to fertilizer production. Yellow revolution is related to oil seed production. Red revolution is related to meat or tomato production. Next is your fruit production. It is generally asked which revolution is related to fruit production. So the answer is golden revolution. Next, which you should know is silver revolution that is related to your poultry or egg production. I just tried to brief you about the different revolutions that was related to agriculture. We will have a detailed discussion about the revolutions related to agriculture in our forthcoming videos. The question that was asked about the maize crop was, what is the male part of maize crop known as? So the answer is tassel. Some other points which you need to keep in mind about maize are the scientific name of maize is Gia maize. The chromosome number is 20 and the origin of maize is Mexico. So with this we have reached to the end of today's session. That is, we have finished off with the discussion of part 2 of agriculture question series. We will meet again in the next video with new fresh questions related to agriculture and allied sectors and with its detailed explanation. If you find the video useful and informative, kindly do like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you very much for patiently watching the video till the end.